Hi guys, my name is Tom Perfect and this is my 2013 bike check. Starting from the top, we've got ODI turquoise grip with ODI bar end. That's fairly soft. And we've got, coming over to this side, we've got the black ODI. This is super soft. Some bar end, don't know what bar end it is. Very cool sweet, chrome bars. Really like them. Quite good for bars, but cut down about an inch. About an inch they were. And we've got a GT stem. Don't like it, hate it. Again, new stem. FSA headset. FSA impact headset. Fitbike Co forks. Fitbike front rim, Fitbike hubs. Don't know what the tire is yet. Got a Harrow frame, 21 top tube I think. Then we've got some Harrow cranks, very good, with some VP. I'm trying to think what they are. VP 550 pedals. Hate them. Metal. Get some plastic ones soon. Same on the other side. 28-2 sprocket. Hate it. I'm gonna get a new one because I don't like it. Good chain, quite fairly tight. And yeah, that's my bike. Do the sound of the hub now. Do it again. Yeah, it's a bike. I'm going to be putting this frame on it soon now because I've nearly. I'm going to be putting this frame on soon because I've nearly cracked it. If you look, I nearly cracked it just there. A massive dent. So I'm going to be putting this frame on. I'm going to be putting that Fitbike frame on soon. Probably taking the sprocket and cranks off and everything because they're like crap. Yeah, that is it for now. We'll show you some clips which chucking it down outside. And I've got a flat tire. So yeah, thanks guys, subscribe. It's at the bottom, so yeah. Subscribe, thanks guys. It's my 2013 bike check. Oh, and KHEC. Go about that. Same back room as the front, and yeah, that's it. Thanks guys, bye.